1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? It's the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a cool song by Eddie Vedder, Society, from Into the Wild. Great movie. I love this song. Alright, so anyway, not very complicated. We do have one bar chord. Standard tuning, capo 2, alright? Song starts in A minor. 1, 2, 3. This is the feel for the whole song. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down. And then it does this. It does like a little pull on like that. 1, 2, 3. In the beginning. Singing, we're gonna hit a C. It's from A minor, C, to G major, back to C, stay on C, F major, to G, and then F, G, A minor. Again. Let's do that again. Verse. G to C. C to C, C F, G. F to G to A minor. F to G. Start on F to C to G minor. Go. Verse G to C, C to C, F to G. Over the same chords, it's over the verse and the chorus. Alright, so try to get that. That's cool. 1, 2, 3. Also, when you go from C to G to C in the verse, it sounds like second time it hits the C, like it's doing this C, which is 1, 2. It's a regular C with a fifth in the bass. So C like that with the pinky, and then the third finger on the third fret. thanks for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow with more awesome songs. Take it easy. Be safe. Thank you.